you know, some days you win, some days you lose. And so this day's been a hard day. You know, at first it started off really well, and I had 1,000 members or followers, which was pretty exciting. I never thought I'd get to 1,000. I remember back in the day when I had 10, but and I thought that was pretty impressive. And today the room situation has gone from ugly to uglier, and crap. Well, all right, I gotta go find a beer. Bye, everyone. All right, well, out of the frying pan and into the damn fireplace. So I had to book something. That place wasn't gonna work. I think I got pretty upset that I was leaving, but so this is my new room. And that's it. And it doesn't look like there's air conditioning, and yeah. Okay, well, okay, it's been a day. You know, there's days that really make you just want to go home, you know what I mean? But son of a bitch. Okay, well, you know, I guess it should teach me. Go look at the room first, Mr. Clark. Anyway, this is my room. You know, I can reach all the way across because that's like a little single thing. Okay, bye everybody.